So this video is for Angelica Romero because she is right there. Like literally, she's right there. Like look, she's right there. Look, turn around. She's right there. Okay, well she likes eating pasta and then it falls and then it lands on her boob and then it turns into breast milk. And her tooth hurts. And she likes carrots. Yeah. And she likes the torito.
And bananas.
Cows.
And bananas and cows. And they have to be... We're in Rainforest Cafe. See? There's a zebra up there. It keeps dog. It keeps giving Angelica the eyes, like... And then she's like, oh, I'm about to knock that shit out. So scary. And then it sounds like Auntie's friend that was on the phone right now. Huh? Diego. This sounds like you. I don't know.
Is she dancing right now?
Yeah, she's going. She's eating pasta and it's gonna fall her food. It's like... Her name is Alejandra. And she likes potatoes. Is that Alejandra? I don't think. Volcano! You like my airplane? Volcano! Hold up, wait a minute. Never mind, that's a map. Not you! Not you!
At least not paying attention, and I told her to make me the video.
Huh?
At least not paying attention to the video.
Oh, Ali's not paying attention to the video.
This
She
is
doesn't
video
count.
still?
She doesn't count. We didn't make it up to 4 minutes. And it's 3:50 what? 52, 53, 54, 55. Goodbye, Archie.
Oh my gosh, you've been recording it?
¿Ya ido al Rainforest? Oh, no, not even. Tienen de esos carreteras en... Put your hands up on these pies.
Hey, MsYesiboo. You don't need one, right?